Good morning, students. In class 6, today we are going to do our second chapter, and that is Unity in Diversity, chapter number 14. So, students, last time we have already learned about the different diversities which are there in our country, and even though we are having unity in our country, okay. Also, we have learned about economic, social, industrial structure of our country, how to develop our country. That also we have seen in our last lecture, that how we all are working together, that is from India, okay. So we all Indians, whether he is from different religion, whether he is speaking different languages, okay, or different culture, but they all work together and they are progressing for our country, or they are developing our country in the fields of economic, social, industrial fields, okay. So that also we have seen in last lecture. Economics means financially we are making our country prosperous, okay. And industrialist means in industries, you already know that, okay, we are developing industries nowadays, okay. So nowadays it is a modern world, and there are so many industries developing in our country, and if the industries will develop, then automatically employment, that is all the people will get work, okay. So it depends on industries also, because if the industries are getting more and more, okay, then the people will get the work, okay, and we will get employment more in our country. So that also we have seen, and here in the next paragraph, let us start our second part. Different caste, religion, custom, culture, languages, etc. are integrated in India. Since India has diverse culture, it has been create variety in culture. India has followed the principles of Vasudeva Kutumba. India true sense spread the feeling of religious tolerance and equality of the world. India is secular country. Unity in diversity is unique feature of Indian culture. In our country, we see combination of various religion, caste, language and festivals. People of India live a life of coexistence. Indian people have developed conserved this unique diversity. So in this paragraph, what is said over here? So here it is said about the unity, that is because of the combination of various religion, caste, language and festivals, okay. We have already seen that in our country we are having different types of peoples, that is having different religions and language, caste, etc. But even though we all work together, okay. So yes, it makes that also we are making the world, we are giving the importance of the religions to the world, okay. That see how in our country India, if you see in the world, that India is the country which is having different religions, caste and many things, okay. Language is different, but then also we Indians live like a family, okay. So we Indians also believe that the world is a family, not only the people which we are having in our family, not only that is our family, but also the world is our family. That is the message what we are giving to the world, okay. Wherever you go, and I know that one thing, that once this Swami Vivekanand went to Chicago, okay, or America, that USA. So he was having his first show over there, means he has to speak in front of the people of foreigners. Okay, so when he started his speech, okay, so what he told that, my brothers and sisters, okay, the first word, even though the big peoples were there over there, okay, the ministers or maybe the different peoples, okay, who are well known, so they were also there, but in front of all that, okay, when Swami Vivekananda came to the stage, and when he started, in the starting only, the people, all who were hearing Swami Vivekananda, all were clapping, okay, and all stand up at their place because of the first starting itself only of this Swami Vivekananda. But what is that impressive words, okay, given by Swami Vivekananda, and that was, my brothers, my dear brothers and sisters, okay. So that first word only says that the quality, the impression of our country, that is India, okay. So this is the thing, how we can make a world, means that how our country, we are having our generation to generation, we got many things from our forefathers. Okay, they have give us a lot of things in generation to, means in a heritage. Okay, the first thing, respect, okay, which we have already got from our forefathers. So here that is also showing our Indian, that our India is great. Okay, here in the next part, efforts for diversity in equality. Various types of diversities are seen in our country. Discrimination is seen due to this. Diversity is discrimination on the basis of rich, poor, male, female, literate, illiterate, urban, rural, and caste are seen in our country. In ancient times, social structure was the occupation based on Varna system. Due to this, groups remained backward socially and economically. Okay, so here, up to here, what is there? See, various types of diversity is seen, that we have already know. Okay, other than that, of means also because of the diversity, discrimination was seen, and it is a fact that, because see, for example, if we see in our family also, yeah, we can see that key wherever in our family also, means some of the up downs are coming, okay, because if we are living together, so it is not easy, because different people are having their different wants, okay, and there should be an equality, okay, among the family members also, because each and every people, whether he is small or elder, they are having their own right, means equality they should be given by the family members, okay. So here what we can see, that key in our country, because of this diversity, some of the parts of discrimination was also seen. But what is the reason for this discrimination? You know, because of the 4 varnas which were made in the ancient culture. Okay, so during ancient age we were having different 4 varnas. Okay, and what was that? So in that 4 varnas, there were 4 basically different 4 types of people. The first one, they were Brahmins, okay. The second one, Kshatriyas. And the third one, Vaishyas, they are the businessmen, okay. And the fourth, Shudra, that is the people, those who are the laborers, the workers, okay. So this type of divisions were made at that time. And also we can see in our country different types of discrimination between rich and poor. The person who is rich, okay, and the person who is poor. So they are not sitting together many times. We can see like that. Means there is a discrimination seen among both of them. Okay. Then male and female, literate and illiterate. What is the meaning of literate? Literate means the person who is having the knowledge of literature. Okay. Or we can say who is studied, who know to read and write. Okay. But here illiterate, what is the meaning of that? Because the illiterate person do not know how to read or how to write. Okay, that person is known as illiterate. So in our country India also, we are having so many people illiterate, and so many people they are literate. So discrimination among them also have been seen. Okay. Urban and rural, yeah, that is also the lifestyle of the people. If you see the people, those who are living in cities, and the people those who are living in village areas, so they are also having different lifestyles. So because of that also they are not able to adjust themselves. Okay, because the people those who are living in city area, basically they are having different using most of the technology things. Okay, and also other than that they are having different culture seen in their dressings, in their lifestyle or living, we can say like that. And if you go to the village, they are little bit different. Okay, they are not using more tools, technical tools. Okay, they depend on nature most of the way. Okay, so it is like that. And so discrimination is seen over there also, means there also. In the ancient times, social structure was the occupation based on Varna system. So that is why it is said over here that socially it is discrimination was based on the Varna system. Means occupation was based on the Varna system, we can say like that. Ki, here see, different people were having their own work. Okay. So for example, the people, those who are having Brahmins, okay, as I have told you earlier, the Brahmins were doing the work of worshipping the people. Okay, they worship God. Okay, and they believe so after that we know about the Kshatriyas. Kshatriya is protecting the people, just like we are having the soldiers right now. Okay. So soldiers are there, and they are protecting our country. In the same way, at that time, the Kshatriya were doing the work of soldiers. The king was the main over there, and the duty of the king to protect their kingdoms. Okay. And after that, we have seen that the business was were done by different peoples like barber or goldsmith, etc., etc. Okay. Then at the last stage, the laborers. Okay, the people, those who are coming in laborers, they do the labor work, or they are doing the seva. Okay, the social work they are doing, and they are they are doing the work at the home of these rich people. Okay, so their system was like this way. Okay. And this system is coming from the ancient age only. This is the, it is also, we can say, the economy. Okay, how to run the economy. Right now also we are having little bit same economy. If you see the soldiers, though they are going to the battlefield. Okay, they are protecting our country from the enemies. And if we see the workers or the businessmen, they are doing that type of work. Okay, and yeah, still we are having the Brahmins. Okay, those who are more Brahmins are like the devotees. It means pujaris. Okay, so they are worshipping God in the temples. You have seen that also. Okay, so this was the work which is done by different people. After that, here, urban people are quite less as compared to the rural people due to the major difference in their living standard. Differences have arisen among the rural and the urban people. Since right of equality is given in the constitution after the independence, untouchability is removed. Now right to the equality granted to everybody, all the people get equal opportunity, justice, status. RTE has been given to the right to free and compulsory education to the children, so everybody has got opportunity in primary education. So here also, as we see, okay, the next one, that is, we have seen that so this way we have seen the differences of rural and urban areas. Okay, other than that, we have seen that nowadays there is no discrimination. Okay, so nowadays, see, because of the constitution, and you already know that during the when the Britishers were there ruling in our country, when they went to their country back, okay, at that time what happened? They made a constitution, and why it is made? It is constitution is a book of rules, okay, law and order, okay. So because the book of laws, which is having different laws, okay, by which the country is running, okay. And here, because of the constitution, nowadays you can't see any discrimination among people. Okay, see, untouchabilities were there during the ancient time, but right now we can see that all people are equal. Because of whom? Because of the constitution. Okay, so as we know about the constitution, that nowadays there is no discrimination among the people. All people are equal, whether he is rich, poor, whether he is we can say having a different caste, religion, etc. And nowadays, because of that only, I have said earlier that means most of the festivals also were enjoyed by each and every religion. Okay, and all the people are getting equal justice, okay, in the court, which is given by the judge. So nowadays we are having this type of system. And other than that, here it is said about the education. Right now we are having RTE, right to education, I think so. So that is also made. And why this RTE is made? Because every caste and every religion can get opportunity for education, free education, okay, in good schools, okay, in the private schools also. So that also government made the different schemes for the people, okay. And right now you can see that many of the children are getting opportunity to learn in good schools or in private schools, okay, freely, because of RTE rule, okay. After that, here government has enhanced the educational infrastructure facilities like village roads, primary health center, electricity, drinking water, community development. Equal opportunities are granted to the women according to the constitutional provisions, so that their honor and respect are maintained, okay. And yes, we can say that right now you can see that the women and the girls are getting more provisions, means constitutional. Because of the constitutional provision, they have got more respect, okay, who the women and the girls, okay, and they have got the respect and honor by the each and every people. And how they are getting? Because of the constitution, okay. And also government is providing different people different things like electricity, healthcare center are there, then villages roads are there, drinking water. So many activities are done by the government. And why means how it is done? Because why it is done? Because it is the duty of the government, okay, to make public welfare. After this, because of getting constitutional right, follow their own religion, speak their own language, celebrate their own festival, discrimination is decreasing after independence. Some seats are kept reserved for the people of certain caste in the election of Gram Panchayat and to Parliament. So same things is considered in the matter of jobs also. Hostel scholarship schemes, financial assistance for the students are implemented for that all can get opportunity for the further development and social, economic, culture and political fields. Okay. So here it is also said about in the next paragraph we have seen that nowadays you can see each and every religion has their own right. They can speak whatever language they want. There is no discrimination among each and every religion. Okay. And along with that it is also here said, see, here it is said about the reserved seats. Okay. So reserved seat for what? Okay, so that if you know that during ancient time there was a discrimination between the people were seen little bit. Okay, so in that what we can say that the lower caste people were getting problem at that time. Okay, there was a discrimination among the rich and the poor. Okay, so here because of that now the discrimination is went. Okay, it is not their discrimination. Now the people, those who have problem, face the problem in ancient time, the caste especially. Okay, so the lower caste people are now getting the reserved seat also by the government. And why? Because they have faced so many problems. They have see, the people those who are from high caste, they are already stable. Okay, and most of the people are already stable. But if we talk about the poor people, or we can talk about the lower caste people, they are having their own they are having we can say the reservation. Okay, for the jobs we can say in the private as well as some of the private as well as in government jobs. Okay, so most of the people coming from lower caste or from many ways they are getting some of the place. Okay, as quota we can say like that. Okay, so they are having their reserve seat over there. Okay, now other than that, if we can see the scholarships schemes and financial assistance are given to lower caste people also. Okay, so here financially means we can say that different loan under the scheme of the government. Okay, especially in that you can see the farmers. Okay, government is giving the loan to farmer very low percentage, I think so. And other than that also government provides the loans to the lower caste people also. Okay, so government is doing this all, giving all this facility to lower the because of to the lower caste people as well as the poor. Okay, and we can say that all can get the opportunity of further development socially, economically, cultural and political field. So now in every field you can see, in the political also, see you can see there is a different politician ministers are from different caste also. There are also the reservations. Okay, even though in the bus or wherever you go. So most of the places you can see the reservation. Why it is made? Because to make all the people equal. Okay, there is no discrimination should be there between them. Okay, so all people can develop the country. Okay, after that discrimination between girls and boys. Not only in India but also in the world, women plays a major role as well as the resource in a national development. Due to biological differences with the social and cultural viewpoint, there is a difference in upbringing of girls and boys. So we find difference in their development also. Total majority of women remain engaged in cooking, household chores and upbringing children. Women don't have importance to take decision regarding the family matters. Girls are deprived of health and healthcare, education and economical right. Girls are not given equal opportunity in the field of sports, education. They are deprived of moving freely and thinking independently. They are not given treated equally. Girls are victims of the child marriages, parda system, dowry system and other evil customs because of law of female various law of literacy, birth of boy given preference, so girls became victim of social side, less number of education. This is the discrimination gradually disappearing. Okay, so what we have seen here in this paragraph, it is already said about the girls, okay, or the women, how they are getting the right in our country. Okay, so nowadays you can see that in our country the women are also getting, not only in India but in the world. Okay, in the world the women are getting their own right, equality they are getting. Okay, so we can say that in ancient age you have seen that there was a great discrimination among women also. So today we have seen that wherever you go, the women are getting respect, the girls are getting respect, more respect than the boys, or you can see the men. Okay, and during ancient age there were child marriage. Okay, then parda system was there, dowry system was there. Okay, so nowadays you have seen that in the world the importance is given to the woman, and all that things now, it is most of the things have got banned, okay, by the government. There is a law and there is a constitution for that, to give importance to the women as well as the girls. Okay, and nowadays they can live free as compared to the boys. Okay, before that what we have seen, the girls were not getting importance, means if a birth of a boy is happened, then what it is given important, but the girl birth is not given important that much. Okay, during the ancient age, but now you can see that they are having equal importance. And nowadays we have seen that there is no discrimination among the male and the female, all are equal. So here after that, things to know. So here things to know, efforts to remove differences towards female. See, we were talking about the women, okay, and the girls. Now here we can see some of the work done by our government for the women. Okay, so what are that work we can see here, and that are efforts to remove differences towards female. The first point, National Commission for Women was formed in 1992. So many laws were made, okay, by the government. So for the women, special law was made in 1992. Nari Adalat have been established for the women and can get easily justice. And you have seen that right now the women are also having their separate court, okay, the Adalat. Women welfare centers were formed to solve the problems of women. So as the women, those who are getting problems, so for them right now we can see that there are many laws are there, and because of the law the police is also protecting them. Okay, if the woman is getting any of the problem, then she can just dial 112. Okay, and the police will come over there, and she will and the police will help her. Okay, so that facility is also given to the woman. Okay, so because of solving their problem, if the woman is getting any problem, the government is taking so many things. Society and government have made combined effort in increasing the ratio of girl education. Okay, and even though we have seen that for the girls education also, in ancient time there was not like that. Okay, girls were less educated during ancient time, but nowadays you can see the girls are also having literate, okay, and they are getting education. Law have been framed for to ensure equal ownership in the family property. See, here also one new thing came. During ancient time, what was there? Ki the boy is only getting all the property. Okay, even though he may be having their sisters. Okay, the boy is getting many means each and every property of their father, okay, or the grandfather. But nowadays government have made the law in that also, okay. The government made that key in the property of the father, okay. Nowadays you can see that key how much importance is given to the boys, means how much the property is given to the boy, that much only you can give to the girls also. So there should means there should not made any discrimination for that also. Strict law have been framed to prohibited child marriage, dowry system, and female forticide. So here strict laws are made for the problems of the women and girls. Okay, here some of the things are there, that is child marriage. Okay, in ancient time it was there, but nowadays it has made the law in that also. Dowry system was there, okay. So dowry system also you have seen that after the marriage, the girl, when the marriage is there of a girl, then the father of the girl is giving so many money to the opposite person, okay, to the person who is married to her, to that girl, okay. After that, here many programs have been implemented since 1980 in the country to ensure women receive equal status, education and security. So here we have seen that nowadays that much law have been made by which the women are getting so many profit by that, okay, and they have given more importance in the world. And these were the things which were made by the government, and here we have completed our chapter. So thank you.